Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Mohammad Yusuf. Here are some of the news that made the headlines today. Japan's antitrust watchdog stated that it has begun an investigation against Google for suspected antitrust violations in web search services. Following a similar moves by regulators in Europe and other major economies, the watchdog announced that it was examining whether Google violated Japan's Anti-Monopoly Act by redistributing a portion of its revenue to Android smartphone producers on the condition that rival search engines would not be installed. In a devastating incident near Bhairab, Kishoreganj in Bangladesh, a passenger and a goods train collided head-on, resulting in the loss of lives and injuries. The collision involved the Dhaka-bound Godhuli Express and a cargo train heading to Chattorgram. Rescue operations are underway, with fire services personnel and local people working tirelessly to save lives. The death toll is expected to rise as the rescue efforts continue. On October 22nd, the sixth flight carrying 143 passengers, including two Nepali nationals, took off from Israel as part of India's Operation Ajay. Since the war between Israel and Hamas began, over 1,200 persons have returned to India from Israel. Karnataka's Higher Education Minister MC Sudhakar has declared that the candidates will be permitted to wear hijab during government services recruitment examinations. He stated that denying the use of the headscarf would be considered a violation of individuals' rights. This decision was made ahead of the upcoming recruitment examinations scheduled for October 28th and 29th. In a tragic incident in Doctors Layout, Naganathapura near Parapana Agrahara, a 17-year-old girl named Pallavi was allegedly killed by her father due to her romantic involvement with a boy from a scheduled caste. The accused, Ganesh, surrendered to the police after attacking his wife and brother-in-law. Pallavi's elopement and subsequent return had caused tension in the family, leading to this devastating outcome. Reliance Industries Limited, led by Mukesh Ambani, is on the verge of finalizing a significant multi-billion-dollar agreement with Walt Disney to acquire Disney's India operations. Following the deal, Reliance is anticipated to secure a controlling interest in the Disney Star business, valued at approximately $10 billion, while the US entertainment conglomerate will return a minority stake in the enterprise. This substantial acquisition is likely to be officially announced by both companies next month. On October 23rd, former Indian cricketer, captain and legendary spinner Bishan Singh Bedi passed away due to prolonged illness. He was 77 years old. Bedi is survived by his wife Anju, son and daughter. Bedi was one of the most admired Indian captains. He led the team for nearly 4 years in Test cricket between 1975 and 1979 after Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi's retirement. Several politicians and sportspersons condemned his death on social media platforms. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, you know what to do. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.